Can you help me sing one more song, everybody? You'll know just what to do. Here we go. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The rain cloud shovels in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. Really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete. But now I wore a younger man's clothes. Everybody sing, come on now. Oh, la, that's right. La la da da da, la la. Sing us a song with the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're running the mood for a melody. You got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and his quick will a joke all out of his smoke. But there's some place I'd rather be. He said, Mike, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. And everybody sing, oh, la. La la da da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist. He never had time for a wife, and he's talking with David, who's still in the Navy, and probably will be for life. Businessman slowly gets stoned. Yes, they're saying a drink to calm loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. Let me sing, come on. Sing us a song with the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're running the mood for melody. You got us feeling alright. It's a pretty good crowd for a Friday. I'm gonna try that again. It's better than a pretty good crowd for a Friday. I'm gonna try one more. It's a rock and roll party crowd for a Friday. And the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's us that they're all here to see, to forget about life.